Forlogis allows you to add quizzes to your curriculum to increase user engagement and test your students' knowledge. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a quiz. To begin, open your admin panel. Navigate to the Courses section and search for the course that you want to edit. You can use the filter function in the top right corner or search for it manually at the bottom of the page. Once you find the course, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Edit. Once you open up the course settings, go into Quiz section. To add a quiz, click Add Quiz. Once you do that, you will just have to fill in the required information. The first option you'll see will ask you whether you want your quiz to be active or non-active. To edit the details, leave on Active for the time being. Afterward, you will have the option to fill in the quiz title and also select whether you want to allow your users to redo the quiz multiple times. Next, you have the option to choose when you want users to take the quiz. You can specify whether you want your users to take the quiz after completing a lesson, a module, or after completing the entire course. Afterward, you have the option to set up passing grade for the quiz. You can specify how many points your users must collect throughout the quiz to pass it. Linked to the passing grade is also the option for you to choose to lock further lessons if not enough points are earned. Next, you have the option to set up the randomized questions feature. Once activated, it randomizes the question selection and thus prevents cheating. Questions quantity sets how many questions will be selected for the quiz from the total number of questions. To demonstrate, if you have 20 questions in total and you set the questions quantity at 10, only 10 random questions will be selected for the quiz. Afterward, you just simply create your questions. To add a question, first fill in the question text, and afterwards, add your answers. Once you have your answers ready, set the reward points for those answers. You can give positive points for the correct answers and 0 or negative points for incorrect answers. If you want your users to respond in text and give them an open question, add a question text. However, don't include any answers. Your users will be required to fill in the text and afterwards, you will see their open answers. Next, you can also include rewards for your quiz. So you have the option to add previously created rewards or create new ones from scratch. To create a new reward, simply fill in all the required information. When you're completely satisfied with how your quiz is set up, click Save to make the quiz live for your users. An additional feature that we'll discuss in this tutorial is the option to import a quiz. To import a quiz, click the Import button in the top right corner of the Quiz section and choose a file from your computer. Importing a quiz that you already have on a different platform might be a good time saver. Before you import it, you must however ensure that it is in the right format so that the software can process it.